Hello, how to solve k power 3 minus k power 2 equals 100. Solving for k. Let's move this over here. This is k power 3 minus k power 2 minus 100 equals 0. So, I can replace this negative 100 here with negative 125 plus 25. Negative 125 plus 25 is the same thing as negative 100. So we simply have k power 3 minus k power 2 minus 125 plus 25 equals 0. From here we have k power 3 minus k power 2 minus 125 equals 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 power 3. So this is 5 power 3 plus 25 is 5 power 2 equals 0. Let's group them. K power 3 minus 5 power 3 minus k power 2 plus 5 power 2 equals 0. From here we can have k power 3 minus 5 power 3. There's minus, there's plus. I can factor out the negative here. So I have k squared. This positive derivatives we have minus 5 squared, and this equals 0. So it's time to expand this and this. To expand this, we have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. To expand this, we simply have a squared minus b squared, which equals a minus b times a plus b. So from here, let's apply this right here. Of k minus 5 times k squared plus k times 5 plus 5 squared. Then we have minus k minus 5 times k plus 5. And this equals 0. So from here, k minus 5, k minus 5, we have k minus 5 times this divide k minus 5, we have k squared plus 5k plus 25 minus this divide k minus 5, we have k plus 5 equals 0. So from here, we have k minus 5 times this is k squared plus 5k plus 25 minus k minus 5 equals 0. K minus 5 times k squared 5k minus k plus 4k, 25 minus 5 plus 20 equals 0. Let's equate these two. We have k minus 5 equals 0. We have k squared plus 4k plus 20 equals 0. If k minus 5 equals 0, that means k equals 5. That's our k1. For this, we have k squared plus 4k plus 20 equals 0. We solve this using the formula method because it's not factorizable. We write the formula in respect to k. we have k equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So right now, we have a equals 1, which is the coefficient of k squared. B equals 4, which is the coefficient of k. And c equals 20, which is the constant here. So from here, k equals, this is negative 4 plus or minus square root of b squared 4 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 20 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, of k equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of, this is 16 minus 80 divided by 2. From here we have k equals, this is negative 4 plus or minus, this is negative 64 divided by 2, which equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 64 divided by 2. So from here, k equals negative 4 plus or minus, this is I times, this is speed, divided by 2, this cancel this, 2 cancel this, we have 4. So this equals negative 2 plus or minus I times 4. So from here we have k equals negative 2 plus or minus I times 4, which is the same thing as having 2 times negative 1 plus or minus I times 2. So you have two complex values for k. Or k2 is 2 times negative 1 plus I times 2. K3 is 2 times negative 1 minus I times 2. These are the two complex values for k. We also have one real value for k, which is 5. You can verify with the complex with the real value. So we have k power 3 minus k power 2 equals 100. Let's substitute this for k. We have 5 power 3 minus 5 power 2 equals 100. This is 125 minus 25 equals 100. This is 100 equals 100. Left hand side equals right hand side. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.